Okay, so in this video we will discuss regarding the structure. We will discuss regarding the 3-letter code and 1-letter code for 20 standard amino acids that are found in nature. Okay, so I have said there are 20 standard amino acids. Okay, so that doesn't mean that there are not different amino, there are not other amino acids that are present, but to this 20 are the standard amino acids that are mainly found in our protein. So let's discuss regarding the structure, 3-letter code and 1-letter code for that. Okay, so as you know that this was the general structure of the amino acid. Okay, so I told you that only this R group will vary. So let's see that. So in the first amino acid, that is glycine, which is the basic simple amino acid that is widely found in the nature, has H as the R group. Okay, so the 3-letter code for this is GLY and the 1-letter code is G. Now next moving to that is alanine. Okay, so this has R as CH3 over here, as I have told you in the previous tutorial that this will remain the same. This will remain the same, only this, that means the R group is going to change. Okay, now let's talk about the next, that is valine. Okay, so this for valine is this. 3-letter code is VAL and the 1-letter code is V. Moving to the next, leucine, the R group is this and the 3-letter code is LEU and the 1-letter code is L. Next moving to this, which is isoleucine, the structure is this, the R is this, ILE is the 3-letter code and I is the 1-letter code. Moving to the next amino acid, serine, the R group is this, the SER is the 3-letter code and the S is the 1-letter code. Okay, now moving to the next amino acid, which is threonine, the R group is this, the 3-letter code is THR and the 1-letter code is T. Next moving to which is tyrosine. Okay, now tyrosine, here it will be repeated twice, I will say you afterwards also. Okay, then next is cysteine. Okay, the R group is CH2SH, the 3-letter code is CYS and the 1-letter code is C. Okay, so there is difference between cysteine and cysteine. The next is methionine. So here the R group is this, the methionine is this and M is M. Next is aspartic acid. Here you can see over here that it has CH2CO minus. Next, the 3-letter code is ASP and the 1-letter code is D. Asparagine, here this is the R group. The 3-letter code is ASN and the 1-letter code is N. Glutamic acid, this is the R group, GLU and the 1-letter code is E. Glutamine, this is the R group, the GLN is the 3-letter code and Q is the 1-letter code. Lysine, this one you can see the big one is the R group, LYS is the 3-letter code and K. Arginine, this is the R group, ARG is the 3-letter code and R. Histidine, as you can see this, it is His and H is the 1-letter code. Phenylalanine, this is the functional group R. The PHE is the 3-letter code and F is the 1-letter code. Tyrosine, this is the functional group, TYR is the 3-letter code and Y is the 1-letter code. Tryptophan, this is the R group, TRP is the 3-letter code, W is the 1-letter code. Proline, now this is the amino group, this is the pro and this is the P is the 1-letter group. So we have seen 20 different amino acid, we have seen their R group, we means the structure, we have seen the 3-letter code and we have seen the 1-letter code. Okay, please remember it is very important for the translation purpose. Okay, because there we will study the concept of code and anticodon. Thank you.